Hey everyone, welcome back to On the Pulse presents Andrea's Country Home Cookin'. I'm so excited to be back. Summer's full of picnics and gatherings, and today I'm going to show you a really easy main dish to make if you have a lot of company. It's going to be ham barbecue. That's so simple you won't believe it, and people are going to rave over it. And then we're going to make a side dish to pair with broccoli salad, and it'll knock your socks off. So come with me in my kitchen, let me show you how it's done. Start with ham barbecue first. So I went to my local deli and I got baked ham and I asked them to chip it for me there. It's so convenient if you have them do that because then you don't have to chop it up. So what we're going to do is I'm making 2 pounds of barbecue today. So we are going to break all this up with your fingers. So you can peel the ham apart as best you can, but it'll definitely cook down as you simmer it. Just kind of like pull it apart. All right, once your ham is all shredded up, ready to go, still keep your heat off, don't turn that on yet. We're going to add everything. So the first thing you're going to add is 2 cups of water. Pour nice and slowly in there. All right. Next step is vinegar. 1 cup of vinegar is going to go in with the water. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of sugar. A teaspoon of salt. Now next is going to be pickle relish. Now if you're not big on pickle relish, you can leave it out. I am honestly not a pickle relish fan, but I really enjoy it in the barbecue. The vinegar and the relish, it all really pulls together in the sugar. Trust me on this. You're going to definitely want to add it and try it. This is a 16-ounce jar of pickle relish, and if you want, cut it down. Just do 8 ounces. Do whatever is convenient for you and your family. And next we're going to use ketchup. I get Heinz. Try to use good brand because this is a lot of where your flavor comes from, so don't get skimpy on your ketchup. And we're going to add about like a cup to a quarter, and then we're going to mix it up really, really good. Okay, try that. All right, we're going to give it a good stir and get this all mixed up really good. All right, once it's stirred, we're going to turn it on medium-high, and we're going to let it come to a boil. So the next dish we're going to make is going to be the broccoli salad. Let me show you how to make this delicious side dish. So you're going to start with 3 heads of broccoli. Now we're just going to get them all chopped up as fine as you can. You have these big, beautiful, bright colors in this salad. With the bacon and the cheese and the green of the broccoli, it screams summertime side dish. Brought up with a lot of really good cooks in my family, and these are family recipes, so they're in my cookbook. I have so many to share with you. It's all stirred up, ready to go, and I usually taste test it just to see if I need a little bit of this or that in it, but my daughter loves broccoli, so let me see if I can call her to see if she can come taste test this for me. Hey Kenzie, I know you love broccoli, and there's bacon and there's cheese in it, okay? All right, you can taste this for mommy? Whoa, what do you think?
It's good.
Does it need anything, or is it good? Okay, give me a mayonnaise kiss. Thank you. All right, so I guess it's good to go. So what I'm gonna do is downsize it into a smaller bowl, put it in the fridge with a lid, let it like sit until it's nice and chill, and you can eat this for a couple days, because the longer it sits, the better it gets. All right, our ham barbecue has been simmering for an hour. It's done and ready. The house smells amazing. This is like the best part. If you let it simmer, it's patience, but it's so worth it. If you want to let it simmer more, you can, but an hour's like perfect. Get some really good rolls from a bakery. Put some on a roll. Super, super hot right now though. Put some on a roll. Okay, now I love mayonnaise. You can add mustard. You don't have to add anything. It really doesn't need it. But I'm a mayonnaise fan, so I just put a little bit of mayonnaise on the bun. And then it is ready to eat. And I cannot wait to dig in. Thank you guys so much for cooking with me today. Stay tuned next month with us as we'll have more videos for you, and I really hope you enjoyed these recipes. Share them with your family, friends. Picnics this summer, it's sure to be the hit of the party.